Bill 315. We just got to the parking lot, and we're gonna hike about half a mile up to the Elbert Mountain. So I think we're all set, and we're gonna enjoy this trail. Anticipated. Alright, right here is Bear Pen Gap, and we just came through the intersection of the AT in the road and Bear Pen Trail. So on our way back, this might be one of the trails that we're gonna hop on. And we got a tree down, so we're going around. Not sure where that came from. Oh, probably way up there. Got more trees down. Some big old boys right there. Another big old boy. And another big old boy. So there's quite a few. What do you got there, Katie? Snail shell. Snail shell. Yep. So that just proves to you guys, if you are hungry, you can find some snails out here. But yeah, this is pretty intense. Pretty intense. Woo. Look at my trail. Oops. Yep. So looks like we're gonna have to do some bushwhacking, either there or there, but the trail is somewhere covered by those trees. Let's go this way. So there's a lot of trees down. Oh. Okay. I don't know if this is any better. Oh. So we just got by one tree. Now we have another tree. And I don't know what's the best solution right here.
Yeah, that's kind of a big tree. Makes good for a good view, though. Alright, looks like got more trees to go through. I'm just gonna shut it off for a minute.
This is more like it. Nice and easy. I get to like walk and actually look around. I don't have to constantly look down because the trail is so smooth. I can actually look to my left. I can look up if I like. I can go ahead and look over here. This is beautiful right here. This is one of my favorite parts about the AT. That sometimes it's just so smooth. And I love it. I mean, look at all that. Really nice. There's Katie. She's a member of the meetup group. She's an active backpacker. She's been backpacking for about 3 years now. So just got to Carter Gap Shelter. I don't see a whole lot of damage that was done. I mean, there's plenty of trees knocked down, but I don't see any damage to the shelter, which is a good thing. Let's take a look in here. No damage. Let's see. I was just reading this right here, seeing if anyone was out on Monday, which Monday was like, I think 9/11. And I don't see anyone on here, so that's a good thing. Got some trees down. Yeah, this is actually quite bad. Oh, yeah, that fell off somewhere. Now last week, all throughout here, you could pretty much set up your tent anywhere. And this is AT right here. You can see the sign up ahead. I don't know, we're gonna have to find a different option. I mean, look at that huge tree that fell down. It's crazy. Leaving Carter Gap Shelter. We're heading about 0.4 miles in the south direction till we get to, it's going to be like a cross fork, and it's going to be Timber Ridge Trail that we're going to hop on. But this is what we're traveling through to get to the next trail. So we're at Timber Ridge Trail. We've got about 2.1 miles that direction. We are going to be following the blue blazes, and that's going to take us out to the road. And then from the road, we're going to be looking for another trail that's going to take us to the waterfalls. Big Laurel waterfalls. That should be really nice. Katie, how you doing? Definitely not your typical trail, right?
Yeah, I just got stuck under that tree.
She got stuck underneath the tree.
Trying to get my cat under. I'm like, ah.
Hey Katie, what would you think if we came back on that hurricane trail? Would it not be ironic or what?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Alright, well, this is our trail that we're following. You see the trail?
Are we on it?
Are we on it? Good question. Well, I don't know. We're just going to keep on going in that direction. And yeah, we're going to figure it out. Well, I want to show you what we're looking at right now, right in front of us.
So that's our trail. We're gonna be bushwhacking. So far, this trail right now, we've been doing a ton of bushwhacking because there's just so many big trees knocked down. But I bet you anything, this trail is beautiful when it's more clear, because you can't really see right now, but it's walking right along the ridge. It's really nice. Ow, crackers everywhere. Ooh. It smells like poo. Ooh. Ow, yeah, it hurts. Ow. Hurts a lot. Look at that tree. It's huge. I don't know, Katie. What do you think? Ow. Oh, I'm glad that this little tree right here, this little branch, kept everything from falling this way. Pretty impressive, if you ask me. Okay, alright, let's keep going.
I think I might have spoke a little too soon. Now, yeah. That's a mess right there. That is a mess. Spoke a little too soon. Oh well. Alright, gonna figure this out.
Hey, I'm Coach Bill at 3 and 5, and you just watched one of my videos. And I want to say a special thanks to the people that are out there doing that hard work on the trail maintenance, because without you, we wouldn't have those nice trails. So I praise you all. So thank you so much. And if you like videos like this where I'm out there backpacking and doing different adventures, you might like some of these videos over here. And again, I'm Coach Bill, 3 and 5, and
Yeah, buddy. Subscribe.